We're at Wareham Forest today. We're going to do up and down trail. You'll find it on Trail Forks. The link will be in the description. Okay, come on in, come on in. So this is the same start as Burn Baby Burn, but you go left at that tree just as you start, and then follow the trail round to the left again, and then round to the right. Ooh, bit greasy, the roots. And then we keep on going. It's one of the longer trails in Wareham, so there is a little bit of pedalling with it. It's not just all down, but there's a few little jumps, little stumps that have been made into jumps. There we go. Right. Oh. Stick with the high road. This is a nice flowy section. Oh. The new DMR V12s I got for Christmas are really doing their job. First time out with them today, and my feet are sticking like glue to the pedals, which is good. And this is my favourite bit, little flowy section in the summer. It's really nice when it's dry, and really get some speed. And then it takes you down, little jump there, takes you down to the trail access at the bottom. As I say, check it out on Trail Forks. The link will be in the description.